Good afternoon, Pottinger's class. Good afternoon. Today we finished attributes of three-dimensional shapes. Here we go. A 3D figure. A 3D figure has how many dimensions? Three, since it's a three-dimensional figure, right? Three-dimensional 3D. What are the names of the dimensions of a 3D figure? A two-dimensional shape, also known as a 2D shape, has how many dimensions? Two. The names of those dimensions are? Do we know the difference between 2D and 3D shapes? Yes. Flat. This one has some width to it, right? Some thickness, some fatness to it. Parallel lines, they never what? Intersect. So parallel shapes will never intersect too, right? A face is the flat surface of a 3D shape. So every single 3D shape is made up of multiple faces, right? Yeah. An edge is a line segment. Okay. A vertex is just a point. And prisms and pyramids. Okay, so a prism, here we go. Prism is what kind of shape? 3D shape. How many bases does it have? 2. What must they be? What else must they be? And what else must they be? Opposite. A pyramid is also a 3D shape. How many bases does it have? 1. What do its faces, other than the base, what do its faces and edges come to? Single point. We call that single point a vertex. Here we go. Is this a prism or is it a pyramid? Prism. Because it has how many bases? Would those be two bases? Are they opposite, parallel, and congruent? What's this called? What's this called? What's this called? What is this called? What are all of these called? Vertices, right? And then each shape that makes up a 3D shape, or each flat shape that makes up a 3D shape, is called a base. Let's do this one. How many, okay, what kind of prism is this? Rectangular prism. So the bases are rectangles, right? Yes. It has 6 faces like a Kleenex box? Yes. Let's count vertices. You ready? We're going to go fast. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boop. Good? Yes. Edges. We're counting edges. Let's go fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that the work that you would show as far as finding edges and vertices? Yes. Yes. And then just again, I know we just talked about this. That's one face right there, right? Yeah. The top of the shoe box or the Kleenex box is the second one. Mm-hmm. The back side here is the third one, yes? Yeah. We got front and the back, 4 and 5. And then the bottom is 6, yes? Why is this considered a pyramid? Why is this considered a pyramid? All of the faces go up to that one point, right? Yeah. Except for my base face. My base face doesn't go up there, does it? No. So all of the other triangular faces go up to this one point, right? Yeah. What will be the faces of every single pyramid except for the base? What shape will they be? Triangle. And sometimes even the base is a triangle, right? Yeah. In this case, it's actually a 5-sided shape, which is that's why it's called a pentagonal pyramid, right? We good?